So, welcome to the third module of the LinkedIn Prospecting and Recruiting Bootcamp. And in this module, I'm taking you through a very simple and amazing, interesting content. It's how to create content that will attract the right prospect. And if you're watching this module, let me just show you what we did on the second module, because you need to go and take a look at this, because this is a bootcamp and it's a series of video. So module 2 was how to target very highly qualified prospects. And then module 1, we went through how to create a killer LinkedIn profile. And this is the 10 minutes a day LinkedIn bootcamp, helping you create more leads, more sales, more money. And let's dive into how to really create content, because as soon as you just take a look at my presentation here, as soon as you take a look at my screen, what you can see here, it's a very amazing and capturing thing that's talking about 10 to 15 leads a day. So this, you're targeting the right people. In the moment you're talking about 10 to 15 leads a day, someone is interested in taking a look at what you're doing. So let's jump into LinkedIn and let me show you the exact way that you can really use it, so that you may leverage this system and really get more leads, more sales, and also start growing your network marketing business. So here's what I do. Last time we talked about the about section, and the best way that you can really create content and really share it with your ideal prospects on LinkedIn is through the featured section. Through the featured section, whereby it is located on LinkedIn after the about section. And as you can see on my LinkedIn here, we have different I am giving different values. For example, this is 10 minutes a day LinkedIn bootcamp. Like you can see here, is 27 sales in 30 days. And if you scroll again, you can see social media marketing tips, how to get more leads and sales in 2020, and mastering the invite using these scripts. Right, this is how you are able to use this featured section. But I want to show you how I really go about developing content and getting content each and every day. And what you want to do, guys, you want to focus on what are the problems of your prospects and how are you able to identify that. We have two different things that I normally use each and every day. First of all, it's YouTube, and the other one is Google. As we all know, YouTube is a sister or a small sibling to Google. So it's one of the second largest search engine optimization sites. So let's go into Google and I'll show you the exact way that I use to really identify different topics. So for example, I'll just come here on Google, on YouTube, and I'll type network marketing. Right, so when I type network marketing, what will happen is I will have a series. YouTube will give me what people are searching. For example, this is network marketing tips, network marketing in Kenya, network marketing motivation, network marketing recruiting, network marketing pro, network marketing training, network marketing audiobook, network marketing business, network marketing prospecting, network marketing books. And from these all topics, I'll choose one of them and try to integrate with the other. Let's say, for example, here, I'll take network marketing recruiting tips, and I'll take here network marketing for beginners. I'll take network marketing recruiting tips for beginners, and I'll create a topic and I'll create content based on the topic that I've identified, because I know right now this is what people are searching. The other part that you can do is on Google. You can come here and do the same thing, guys. It's very easy. Network marketing, right? Network marketing. Right, as soon as you put network marketing here, it will bring you network marketing meaning, network marketing success, what is network marketing and how does it work, types of network marketing, how to start network marketing jobs, network marketing companies. So you already have a clue from YouTube. It told you network marketing recruiting tips from beginners. So what you can add here is network marketing recruiting. Right, so when it shows you, it will bring you network marketing recruiting tips, network marketing recruiting scripts, network marketing recruiting posts. And when you jump here on my LinkedIn, you can see I've done a video on master the invite using these scripts, MLM free training, how to master the invite using these scripts in network marketing. All right, so after you have done that, you go outside there and create. You can either create a video and upload it on YouTube, because if you take a look at this one, this is a video. This is a video that I uploaded on YouTube. And what you can do is, after you've uploaded the video on YouTube, you come and add that video here as your featured. And this is how you do it. You just come click here, for example. Right, for me, I've added different videos. So let me, yeah, this is what you do. Plus you add, so here it tells you add it as a post, article, links, or media. So what you want to do is, as soon as you have uploaded that video, as soon as you have uploaded that, the network marketing tips video on YouTube, you just come and take, let's say for example, we have a lot of videos here. Right, we have a lot of videos here. Let me see, for example, let's check mine on my channel. Also, if you have not followed this channel, this is where I usually upload different videos, and you really need to come here and check on it. So let's say for example, prospecting and recruiting for MLM. I come click here. All right, that's a webinar that we had with our team, and then I click on share. After I click on share, I copy this link. After copying this link, I get back to my LinkedIn where I said add. After I've added, I put here link, and then I just copy and paste the link here. After I copy and paste, I do add. All right, as soon as I add, look at what happens. Your video appears here, and remember this thumbnail, this image, I used it I designed it using Canva. And if you have not watched the tutorial I did about Canva, just go and take a look at it on the first video that is on module 1, so that you may get a lot of people being able to see you as an authority and reaching out to you. And here, prospecting and recruiting for MLM, it comes there automatically. So the other thing, if you are afraid of using the video feature, make sure to come through the next module, which will be module 4, whereby I'll be showing you how to create content on articles and upgrading and putting them on your features, so that you may be generating residual leads. I really appreciate your time, guys. This is the 3rd module. I'll be waiting to see you on the 4th module, and make sure to check the description below, whereby I'll dropping a link whereby you can join our private group, whereby you can get access to the 60-minute power recruiting program that will really help you dominate and crush it on LinkedIn. And also, I'll be dropping a free guide on free content ideas that you can use to create more content and value to provide that to the outside market. I really appreciate. Have a good time. Be blessed. Bye bye. Let's meet to the next module.